Hi guys, so I am here to talk about chapter 3 of my book, which is psychic protection. Now, what I want to say about psychic protection is this. You are a sovereign being of love and light, okay? It is your choice if you allow negative things to affect you, okay? That's your free will choice, saying that could come into you, that could impede you. And actually, you kind of bring that negative stuff to you if you're saying that you need protection. Okay, if you're like, oh my God, I need protection. There's terrible things around me. Oh, I can't pick up on negative energies, so forth and so on. We don't need that. So, because whatever you resist persists. So we have to remember that. Now, when I was just starting out, this is something that I definitely did. Was I created a bubble of pink porous light. I did not do white light, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. Pink porous light, and I set the intention, that I now create this bubble around me of pink porous light. It only allows unconditional love or higher in. That's it. So that actually does a couple of different things. Number one, that way it lets the bad things out and only good things in. Okay, if you would like to look at it in that way. Secondly, it makes everyone around you's vibration, they have to elevate to the highest vibration in the room. So either they're going to elevate or they're going to have to go. Like that's just a law of frequency and vibration. And then the other thing that it's going to do, like I said, is it's going to allow you to feel that protection. Now, the reason I don't use white light is because white light is extremely protective, but it also doesn't let anything out. So let's say, you're in a big crowd, you're starting to pick up on maybe some not so nice energies at that point in time. So you're like, okay, I now surround myself in a white bubble of light. Okay, great. Because nothing's going to get in, excuse me, but nothing's going to get out either. Okay, so that means your anxiety, your worry, the negativity that you may have picked up on is now stuck in the bubble with you. That's why I use pink porous light. Now, another great way for psychic protection, of course, calling on Archangel Michael, the angel of protection, is wonderful and great. Also calling on his blue star seal of protection. And then also, let's say that, you may feel like you have an energetic attachment, like my friend, Miss Deborah Bowen. She had one, and I actually have a whole incantation in the book that I did to help rid her of that. Okay, so that's just a little snippet on psychic protection. Next week, I'm super excited because we're going to be talking about the chakras. And I'm going to be giving you how you know it's either overactive or underactive, and one way that you can kind of clear up one of your chakras. Okay, so exciting. I'll see you all next week. All my love.